I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Hyundai i30 first generation, produced from 2007 to 2012. This hatchback was Hyundai's bold entry into the competitive European market, aiming to rival the likes of the Ford Focus and Volkswagen Golf. It offered a blend of affordability, practicality, and a decent warranty, which made it appealing to budget-conscious British drivers. One of the most frequently reported issues with this model is clutch problems, particularly in manual transmission versions. Owners often complain about premature wear, leading to slipping or difficulty in gear engagement after around 50,000 miles. Replacing the clutch can cost between £300 and £500 at a local garage, so it's wise to check the service history before buying a used one. Rust is another notorious weak point, especially on the underbody and wheel arches, exacerbated by the UK's salty winter roads. Many i30s from this era suffer from corrosion that can compromise structural integrity if not addressed early. A thorough inspection during an MOT can reveal hidden rust, and preventive treatments like undersealing might extend the car's life. Beyond clutch and rust, the suspension system tends to wear out quickly on British pothole-ridden roads. Bushings and shock absorbers often need replacement after 60,000 miles, with parts costing around £100 to £200. However, the ride quality remains comfortable for daily commuting, which is a plus for family use. Engine reliability is generally good, but some petrol variants experience timing chain tensioner failures. This can lead to rattling noises and potential engine damage if ignored, with repairs running up to £800. On the positive side, the diesel engines are fuel efficient, achieving up to 50 miles per gallon on motorways, making them economical for long-distance drivers. Electrical gremlins are not uncommon, including faulty window regulators and central locking issues. These can be frustrating but are usually inexpensive to fix, often under £100 for parts. The i30's interior, while basic, holds up well and provides ample space for 5 passengers. The braking system sometimes shows premature wear on discs and pads, especially in stop-start city traffic. Replacement sets can be sourced for about £150, and upgrading to aftermarket parts improves longevity. Despite this, the car's handling is predictable and safe, earning praise in Euro NCAP tests. Air conditioning failures crop up in older models, with compressor issues leading to lukewarm air during British summers. Repairs might set you back £200 to £400, but regular servicing can prevent this. The cabin's ventilation system, however, is effective and contributes to a pleasant driving environment. Transmission problems extend beyond the clutch in some automatic versions, with solenoid failures causing erratic shifting. These repairs can cost £300 or more, but the gearbox is otherwise smooth for urban driving. Owners appreciate the i30's low running costs, with insurance groups starting from £10. Fuel system woes like clogged injectors in diesels can cause rough idling and reduced power. Cleaning or replacing them is around £200, and using quality fuel helps mitigate this. The car's overall build quality improved over the production run, making later models more reliable. Steering rack leaks are reported by some, leading to heavy handling and potential safety concerns. Fixing this might involve a new rack at £400, but the power steering is responsive and aids maneuverability in tight UK streets. Parking is a breeze thanks to the compact dimensions. Exhaust system corrosion, tied to the rust issues, often requires replacement of the back box after several years. Costs are typically £100 to £200, and stainless steel upgrades offer better durability. The i30's exhaust note is subdued, which suits quiet family motoring. Interior trim, such as door handles and dashboard plastics, can wear or crack over time. These cosmetic issues don't affect drivability, but might detract from resale value. On the upside, the boot space of 340 litres expands to over 1,000 with seats folded, ideal for shopping trips or holidays. Windscreen wiper motors sometimes fail, especially in heavy rain, which is common in the UK. A new motor costs about £80, and it's a straightforward fix. Visibility remains good with large windows, enhancing safety on foggy mornings. Battery drain from faulty alternators affects a minority, leading to starting issues. Replacement alternators are around £150, but the electrical system is otherwise robust. The i30 comes with useful features like air conditioning as standard on most trims. Tire wear can be uneven due to alignment issues from worn suspension components. Alignments cost £30 to £50, and proper maintenance ensures even tread life. The car's road grip is commendable, providing confidence on wet British roads. Cooling system leaks, often from the radiator or hoses, can cause overheating. Repairs are inexpensive at under £100, but catching them early prevents engine damage. Efficient cooling contributes to the engine's longevity in varied climates. Headlight bulbs burn out frequently, a minor annoyance with replacements at £10 each. Upgrading to LED bulbs improves brightness for night driving. The i30's lighting setup is adequate for rural lanes and motorways alike. Oil consumption in some petrol engines is higher than expected, requiring top-ups between services. This is usually benign but worth monitoring to avoid low oil levels. Fuel economy in petrol models hovers around 35 miles per gallon, which is respectable for the era. Gearbox oil leaks in manuals can lead to grinding noises if not addressed. Sealing kits cost £50, and regular checks prevent major issues. The 5-speed manual is engaging to drive, appealing to enthusiasts on a budget. Catalytic converter failures in older petrol cars trigger warning lights and emissions test fails. Replacements can be pricey at £300, but eco-friendly driving habits extend their life. The i30 meets Euro 4 standards, keeping it compliant for UK roads. ABS sensor malfunctions cause dashboard warnings and affect braking efficiency. Sensors are cheap at £20 each, and the system enhances safety in emergencies. Braking performance is strong, with good pedal feel. Turbo issues in diesel models, like wastegate failures, reduce power output. Repairs might cost £400, but turbos are durable with proper oil changes. Diesel torque makes overtaking effortless on A roads. Cam belt replacements are due every 60,000 miles on some engines, costing £200. Skipping this can lead to catastrophic failure, so adherence to schedules is crucial. The engines are peppy, with the 1.6 petrol offering a good balance of power and efficiency. Paint quality varies, with some colors prone to fading under UK sun and rain. Resprays for affected areas cost hundreds, but touch-up kits handle minor chips. The exterior design is modern for its time, turning heads even today. Seat fabric wears thin in high-mileage examples, especially on the driver's side. Reupholstering is around £100 per seat, but comfort levels remain high for long journeys. Ergonomics are driver-focused, reducing fatigue. Exhaust gas recirculation valve clogs in diesels, causing rough running. Cleaning costs £50, and it's a common service item. This helps maintain low emissions, beneficial for urban zones with clean air rules. Wheel bearing noise emerges after 70,000 miles, requiring replacement at £100 per wheel. The ride stays smooth otherwise, absorbing bumps well. All-wheel balance improves handling dynamics. Fuel pump relays can fail, stranding owners unexpectedly. Relays are inexpensive at £15, and spares in the glove box are a smart precaution. Reliability scores from owners are above average for the class. Central console rattles develop over time, annoying on bumpy roads. Simple fixes with foam pads cost nothing, enhancing cabin quietness. The audio system, while basic, integrates well with modern upgrades. Door seal degradation lets in water during heavy downpours. New seals are £40 each, preventing interior dampness. Weatherproofing is generally good, suiting the UK's climate. Ignition coil packs in petrol engines misfire occasionally, affecting performance. Packs cost £30, and diagnosis is quick at a mechanic. Smooth acceleration is a highlight once resolved. Heater blower motors whine or fail in cold weather. Replacements are £100, but the heating system warms up quickly. Cabin insulation keeps occupants cozy in winter. Throttle body issues cause hesitation during acceleration. Cleaning is £20, restoring responsiveness. The i30 feels nimble in traffic, a boon for city dwellers. In conclusion, the Hyundai i30 first generation is a solid choice for budget buyers seeking a reliable family hatchback, despite issues like clutch wear and rust that require vigilance. It suits young families or commuters who prioritize low costs and practicality over luxury, provided they opt for well-maintained examples with full history. With prices for used models starting at £1,000, it's a value-packed option for UK roads. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.